Subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Welcome to Study Point. Today we are going to discuss about the cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology. In this lecture we are going to study about how cryptocurrency is generated, how it is used, its relevance in India and in other countries. And this lecture is very useful for the UPSC prelims as well as the UPSC mains. So we are going to discuss about this in depth. So what is cryptocurrency actually? It is a digital currency created and stored using blockchain technology. It is not a legal tender. Next question arises, what is legal tender? That is a legally binding, legally valid money. That's what we called as a legal tender. Another one is blockchain technology. It is a secure decentralized database that is used to store records and data of transaction. So in this blockchain technology, entries can't be deleted, so it is highly secured and trustworthy, mainly useful for running cryptocurrency network. So that is the use of blockchain technology. So how these cryptocurrencies are generated, what is its origin? Some anarchist group lost faith in fiat money because of subprime crisis of USA in 2007. What is fiat money? That is money which is generated by the government or the central bank of the country. That's a fiat money. 2009 anonymous user Satoshi Nakamoto launched a cryptocurrency named Bitcoin. So that's a Bitcoin, how it is generated. So 3 ways to obtain a cryptocurrency. There are 3 ways. First one is through data mining by using software and high speed computers. Nowadays there are quantum computers, so it is easy for the data miner to solve these blockchains, and he can create any cryptocurrency in minutes or in a seconds. So there can be a crashing of the value of a bitcoins or any cryptocurrency. But there are also challenges that extreme e-waste generation, thermal electricity wastage. These are some challenges for data mining and using software and high-speed computers. Sales of goods and services to miner. So transaction or any business with the miner is there is a scam. Can't get protection under the Consumer Protection Act as in India. Exchange with legal tenders. Example, dollars, yen, or in rupees. Legal tenders are, as we discussed earlier, these are legally binding money, legally valid money. So there are challenges like terror financing, black money, tax evasion, etc. can be happen with this legal tenders, exchange with legal tenders through cryptocurrency. We have a lack of transparency in this cryptocurrency system. Cryptocurrency legality in India and elsewhere. India and other countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, Morocco, Algeria, Bolivia already banned this cryptocurrency. Marshall is the only first country to launch sovereign cryptocurrency named Sovereign. Cryptocurrency's name is Sovereign. Venezuela also launched Petro. It's a cryptocurrency. Facebook's cryptocurrency is Libra, and they produced it by using a programming language Move. In 2018, World Bank launched first blockchain bond called Bondi. And India on cryptocurrency. So India already banned cryptocurrency, as we discussed earlier. RBI directed all the banks, mobile wallets companies to stop relation with cryptocurrency companies. Cryptocurrencies are not legal tenders as per the budget 2018. They are not considered as a legal tender in India. However, RBI's IDRBT, that is Institute of Development and Research in Banking Technology, they are studying how to use blockchain technology for promoting digital economy. So India is trying to do in digital economy and how to promote digital economy. There are many schemes and many research is going on for the digital economy in India. There is a still lack of transparency and the lack of faith in the cryptocurrency, because it's consistently it has a chances to be used in the terror financing, black money. That's why it is not safe to use cryptocurrency or to do a business with the cryptocurrency. Here is the news article. Cryptocurrency trending in India sees 400% cryptocurrency trading in India sees 400% jump during COVID-19 lockdown. So, however, lack of clarity on regulations and reports of possible law to ban cryptocurrency remain a concern. So, it is very harmful to use cryptocurrencies right now. So if you like this video and if you like this content, if you like my work, then please subscribe my channel, support me. Thank you so much.